Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to find someone on Cash App but weren't sure how to do it using just their phone number, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two super simple methods to find anyone on Cash App using their phone number. So stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss anything. Method 1, using your phone. Contacts. First, open the Cash App on your phone and head over to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Invite Friends. At this point, Cash App will ask for permission to access your contacts, and go ahead and allow it. Once you grant access, Cash App will automatically scan your phone book and show you which of your contacts are already using Cash App with their phone number. If the person you're looking for is in your contacts, they'll pop up right here, making it super easy to connect with them. Method 2, direct phone number search. If the person isn't saved in your contacts or you just want to search directly, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap on the magnifying glass icon. That's the search function. Type in the person's phone number, and if that number is linked to a Cash App account, their profile will appear instantly. From here, you can send them money, request money, or view their profile if it's public. So whether you're using your synced contacts or searching directly by phone number, Cash App makes it quick and easy to find the right person and start a transaction. And that's it. Two easy ways to find someone on Cash App using their phone number. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check out the description below for any extra resources or guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.